Display all components slated for installation. The instrument includes 2 spare fuses that can be used to replace the fuse inside the instrument in case of breakage. Use a screwdriver to gently pry open the fuse holder and then replace the broken fuse with one of the spare fuses. Install the filter. Remove the pre-installed screws. Install the holder. Install the bipolar, RF and suction handle. Install the 80K handle. Install the 3-polar RF handle. Install the 4-polar RF handle. Install the 6-polar RF handle. Connect the laser pad cable to the main machine. Connect the laser pad to the cable. Install the hot and cold handle. Install the BIO handle. Install the EMS and hot handle. Put all the installed handles into the holder in turn. To replace the cotton filter on the suction hole of the vacuum and RF handle, remove the plug from the suction hole, insert the filter, and then put the plug back. The filter needs to be replaced regularly. After all parts are installed, turn on the instrument. Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face with a facial wash, then follow with toner. Evenly apply RF cream around the eyes. IRF address under eye shadows and fine lines for effective elimination. Lift from the eye corner towards the temple in an upward motion. Glide the handle in circular motions from the eye corner towards the temple. Glide the handle in circular motions from the eyebrow towards the hairline. Evenly apply RF cream to the face. Face RF, lifting and firming. Move the handle in circular motions across 3 facial areas. Glide upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Wipe the face with a washcloth. Apply serum to the facial area. Hot and cold, soothes the skin and enhances circulation. Move the handle in circular motions across 3 facial areas. Glide upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Wipe the face with a washcloth. Choose a strap, short, medium, or long, depending on individual size, and secure it around the recipient's head. Lipo laser, eliminate double chin and refine facial contours. Insert the laser pads into the strap. Allow the device to work for 20 minutes. Turn off the instrument, remove the pads, release the strap, and complete the procedure. Apply a mask to the face. BIO, elevate skin absorption. Utilize a stamping technique to cover the entire treatment area. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, eye cream, and facial cream.